Hello, you absolute legends from the Proton Workshop. I've got the inspector here. Here's Crystal. Hello. And in this video, I've got a gap here because I've got a car out at Dad's being serviced. So I've taken the opportunity to go through all my wrecking and have a bit of a clear out. And you can see that I have done the first sort of bay and organised some stuff. Managed to free a few shelves up. I'm going to slowly work my way that way and just get rid of some stuff I don't want. But in this video, I just wanted to show you the Proton Black Knight and the Proton 1.5 SE LE. Now, these are quite special. And if you haven't seen the history of the Black Knight, then it's a limited edition car. It's the last one of its kind in the world. There are no more Black Knights left, and it's actually a show winner. It won the Festival of the Unexceptional 2021 and a few other shows, and it's been on display in lots of places. But I wanted to just have a chat with you about how special these cars actually are, because people come and they buy bits and pieces off me because I break Protons. There's one out there that's being broken. I collect Proton memorabilia and parts and all this sort of stuff. Along with other things, and people do, they come and they buy things off me, and then I go, hey, do you want to see the Black Knight? Or they say, can I see the Black Knight? And so they come and have a look, and sometimes they're a little bit underwhelmed, aren't they, hey? And sometimes they're a little bit like, that's cool. Sometimes they're a bit like, it's immaculate, isn't it? And the answer is, yeah, actually, it is. And I want to just discuss, where are you going, by the way, Crystal? The garage inspector is off for a wander, and I don't like that. But I just wanted to sort of chat with you about the car, move this out of the way, and show you, if you haven't already seen it, and explain why they're so special, I suppose, and why they're special to me as well. That's a good question, isn't it? Why are they so special to me? Hello. She's the most special. You're the most special. So yeah, people come and they come into the garage and I say, oh, here's the Proton Black Knight. And they say, oh yeah, it's cool, isn't it? It's awesome. Yeah, it's cool. And it's cool that people are appreciating the Black Knight and wanting to have a look at it. And then I have to explain to them why it's special, because it's a limited edition, one of one left. And then this blows their mind, this fact. There are 2 Mallorca Black Protons left in the UK on the road. They're both here. And so I say, hey, there's 2 Mallorca Black Protons left in the country, and you're looking at both of them. Cool, nice. Hey, there's only 1 Black Knight left in the country, and you're looking at it. Cool, nice. Hey, there's only 1 Proton 1.5 SE LE left in the world. It's here. So these 2 really are unique. And they're very special to me. So I just wanted to show you them. That's what this video is. Really quick, 5-minute video. If you haven't seen inside the Black Knight and you fancy it, here's a look. It needs a good dust off. But there's the inside. And I keep it in show moving ready condition. So obviously the seat covers stay on. The alternative floor mats stay there. And then when I obviously pull it up at a show, I put the proper floor mats in and take the seat covers all off. But yeah, here's the Proton Black Knight. And this one's on charge, 1.5 SE LE. It looks exactly the same inside, same sort of condition. And they are very special to me. So yeah, I'm sure as I find some more goodies in the Proton garage, I will let you know about them. There's some cool stuff here. There's all Armstrong Siddeley parts there. That's a cool thing. That's a HT lead tester from the 40s. Some wheel trims here, that's cool. And loads of Proton merch. If anyone wants a Proton hat, by the way, I've got about 6 million of them. This bag is full of Proton hats. There's Proton hats here. I've got about 2,000 of them. They are on my eBay if you want to buy them. Anyway, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. This is a real impromptu video from the garage, looking at the Proton Black Knight with Crystal. We're enjoying the sunshine, aren't we? Beautiful day. Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Take care. Goodbye.